Should I this camera?
Today we're cooking some fat slab meat. Now we wait. Go give him room for it. Alright guys, so while we're in here, you need room for it. Where'd Yoda go? There he is. Yoda. You got all my questions. You got old pair of glasses. This guy.
He just died.
Got my watermelon head. Yeah, we got that last night.
Fan. Fat man.
Fixing my hair, shut up. I look like a Karen.
Where's the children?
Where's your guys' children? Let me see your address. Since you guys are poor, you only got one Switch controller.
Rest in peace. Other side of Switch. It Thanos snapped.
I don't
That's
even
what
think
happened.
it'll turn on. Yeah, there it is. Successfully downloaded update Fortnite.
You still play Fortnite in 2019?
Yeah, because I've got nothing to do.
Alright, apathetic, but okay.
Alright, let's go check on the grease. It's also my Lego creation.
It's called a Fat Wheels McPee hole.
Still. Alright.
Make sure you do this step carefully.
So you want to burn yourself.
Make sure you throw your not pepper in there. Why would you put hot sauce, Trey?
Shut up. Give him a quick kitchen tour.
Alright, wall, all this other stuff. Dishes that will never be, or thing that will never be cleaned in 800 years.
Yeah, because that's like a peanut butter cookie.
That. Pickle jar. Stuff. 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 Stuff.
Stuff. Stuff. Stuff. Stuff. Stuff.
Stuff. No. Sure, just pointed at this button. I just said stuff.
Nice.
That is a line of expertise that I've never seen since the year of, I don't know. Here's the meat. When are we going to throw the meat in there?
Not yet. There's not enough grease. I just want to bathe it in grease so I can get more white.
Wait. Oh no. Catastrophe. Ah. I smelt it and I'm pretty sure the camera felt it.
I smelt it.
And grease has not been dealt with. Here we have the meat, which is red. Smack the meat tray.
See, I'm gonna make little meat patties.
This is we're teaching you how to make a Krabby Patty.
I don't have any hamburger buns, so.
Put just normal bread in it. Go crazy. No.
Yo guys, is it me or am I hearing a creeper?
Oh man. Alright, let's go. Cooking with my friend and my episode. is just having a spasm with the camera.
Hold on, move this.
Gordon
If you
Ramsay.
get a good favor and subscribe to Kids 1983 on Twitch.
Mission failed. We'll get him next time.
No, I'm edit.
Oh, no, wait, let me see. Hold up. He made it. You can't see it, but he made it. Now, intense turn. Intense turn. Intense turn. Intense turn. Intense turn. Intense turn. What?
Oh, yeah.
Plane. Whack it onto the floor. Alright, let's go. Room. Absolute masterpiece bed. Bread. He's flattening it like, quote unquote, the planet Earth. So,
If there's a flat Earth society, he's gonna get mad at us
the Earth, prepare to hear this flat earthers, but the Earth is not flat.
because it is the shape of a triceratops.
Yeah, get your, information checked, man.
I mean a velociraptor.
Yeah, not just basically raptor, man. Right, Trey?
Yeah.
Or, spaghetti toes. Or whatever your new username is.
Lasagna toes.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Lasagna toes. Sorry. This video's like already like 7 minutes long. Mission failed. We'll get him next time. Look at that.
Hold on.
No, Trey, I'm trying to get a good shot.
Alright, you ready? Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Ready?
Trey, stare at the camera. Absolute genius. Now get all the things that you want on it, like seasoning, whack it to the extreme. Mission success.
You want some?
Nah, fam, I'm good.
I'm making myself 3.
Throw all of it in there. Just throw like the rest of it in there. See what happens. Make like the largest like beef. Fam. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Come on and friends. Then walk up to the jam. Come on and friends. And if you wanna goal. Oh my god. Owie ooey. Don't avoid that. Well, avoid that. Not don't. Cause that's bad.
Yeah, I want my subscribers to be safe.
Yeah, don't do that cautionary step. You got butter? Wait, what is that?
Popcorn butter.
Yeah. Oh my god. It looks like solid pea. You know, we have our solid pea meat. Throw it like actual like meatballs, like Swedish meatballs, but tinier. Trey, flatten it. Or I mean, lasagna toes. He just did the crazy frog.
I listened to that for 10 hours, guys, so don't even count it.
I have listened to it for like 59 minutes, but I think I've listened to it longer. My speech is horrible. Please help me. Why do you have 2 pieces of bread?
Like to make a sandwich, you moron?
Yeah, but like you put it on top of it, so are you just gonna be like pull under and then put it on top?
Yeah.
IQ 1000. Ooh. Put down the light so so the audience and me can see it. Now look at that. That is some Swedish cooking. Even though it's not even Swedish, it's just a burger. Hamburger. Burger ham. Hamger. Your burger. I said by now we unplug it, and now we put the butter on it.
No, not yet.
Not yet. I forgot. Seasoned salt. Make sure you always have your seasoned salt with you. The camera in this is god awful, but that's alright. I'll just hit my foot. Put it on the other ones, Trey. Put it on the other ones. You lightly put it on the other ones, Trey. Did that burn?
Touch raw meat and I lick my hand.
Trey dies of death.
Oh my god, I'm almost through this way.
Okay, that was a dangerous ops mission. Welcome to the Disgusting Fridge 2.0. I think you accidentally threw the meat away. Alright.
Patty one.
One of the meat just fell. Alright, here we go. Krabby Patty secret formula. Does it taste epic? Alright.
Does your mom like check your phone or something?
That's alright. If it falls onto the floor, put it back on your food. Safety tip by Gordon Ramsay. Remember that. Since you know he did the 5-second rule. Remember, he picked it up within like 2 seconds.
You gonna drink that?
What?
You gonna drink that?
I don't know.
Alright. Moment of truth.
Let me have a shot of that. Do you want me to end the video? Alright, so this was Lasagna Toes' special guide to making an ultimate not sandwich, hamburger.
You mean Krabby Patty?
Yeah, Krabby Patty / hamburger. Now the video shall not end and continue to end.